Procrastination isn't about time management, it's more emotional. You delay tasks because they feel overwhelming, boring, or they are unclear and you don't know how to start. It's the brain's way of avoiding stress, but ironically, it creates even more stress later. Like the time you had to take out the trash and next morning you're standing there next to the garbage man in your PJs. Procrastination costs you time, money, and a peace of mind. It erodes your self-confidence because every time you delay you tell yourself, I can't handle this, or future me will do this. And this can result in you missing out great opportunities just because you didn't start. But here's the good news. Procrastination isn't permanent. You can always change your habits. And with this 5-step recipe, maybe you can finally beat procrastination. Step 1. Identify the why. Ask yourself, what am I avoiding and why am I avoiding this? Is it fear or failure? Is it too big? Understanding the why is step 1. You have to know what you want to improve before you can start improving it. Step 2. Break it down. Big tasks can be overwhelming. Break them into achievable size sub-goals. For example, instead of saying, write my thesis, start with, draft the first paragraph, or write the conclusion. This will get you into the flow of working and you'll see some progress along the way. Step 3. Time block. You've probably heard it like 100 times or so, but it really works. Use the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 or 35 minutes where you focus on working on your one goal or task. Just one specific goal. After the 35 minutes, take 5 minutes rest. I would suggest standing up from your desk and doing something different. Don't grab your phone immediately. Just make a cup of tea, stretch, or go talk with someone. After that, start your timer again and get back into the flow state. Step 4. Self-compassion. Procrastination often comes from perfectionism, and we humans are perfectionistic. But as Mastin Kipp said, perfectionism is a dream killer because it's just fear disguised as trying to do your best. Accept imperfection. It's okay to make errors. Aim for progress and not perfection. Step 5. Reward yourself. Motivation thrives on rewards. Finish the task? Congratulations! Treat yourself to something small, like a cup of tea, a walk, or a piece of cake your grandma made yesterday. Beating procrastination isn't always simple, but if you manage to do it, first of all, congrats, and you'll feel yourself much better because you showed up and started. You'll build confidence and get your task done and enjoy crossing things off your oh-so-long to-do list. But I'm just lazy. I'll never be able to complete that task. Well, procrastination isn't about laziness. It's fear of perfectionism and avoiding doing the things we know we have to do. Yeah, maybe you're right, but then I'll need motivation first. Motivation doesn't get you to the top of the mountain. It's action, discipline, and consistency. Action creates motivation and not the other way around. So just count down from 5 to 1 and start working. It doesn't have to be perfect as long as you just start. So procrastination doesn't define you. It's just a habit and you can change these habits. No, you will change these habits. Start small, pick one task you've been avoiding and use these 5 steps today. Let me know in the comments what you're tackling first. And if you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe and check out the link below for my free Notion template to beat procrastination. Good luck!